kitchen while you smoke outside. You're careful not to let the smoke inside. I always tell you it's poison.
Ababa waka dem a me aketesi abena me hurihuri sa adanko ya me ko bayi ha ankanya ka be bayi anko kan se ma me eye no kre de waka no ye pe ba mi fa no fa enam se waso ode office wonya sikanti umu ma me umu obia wa mfa na ma machia hwede ato wo eti bi ko kan woni me abanto no ni mo hen no wa pene se me mfa me ba no anko ba biam de ne no ma pene eti akua de opa ne wonya no owusu the AKUA pen when you know. Then I'll say, me the same come, me yes, and come and go be moved. Me go be a mo. Send me go be a mo who's 1 year and my baby video. They see a bright to quite chama. I have my code. What it? Me dear, they see the quachi. Miss Udon Samaye, my cook bar, me father, but what did you quachi? Sama, what it? Macodam did Dennis and yes, I didn't. I would trust him. Na dia ya me ya ne se oba panyimu atesa me no wo nane tese me bio wa anya woni me ka se ni me se full tantan wo bi o mu ade se ni ma me full tantan wo ja no wo be ye me ha na hwe me ba ma wo no utipe no wo saso no if you oba na wo no wo jimi na woni nyansa wo be fa wo akola na wo ye ne tebolele tete adeafo fofo don go mi fala na why you sad at one? Who are planting or banana? I go for no. What if I no? Who says you no? That's soon adding. No, you be any who did mean you? Uncle come out some day. They will cheer your crowd and Miss One here. Come here, dear Minion. Come up, no. Come up, no. Miss it, do you want to plant any mabuno? So come up, no. Come up, no.
I'm sorry for everything that happened, you know. Your mama said everything, you know. We guys met and we spoke as men and we concluded everything. No more beefing, no more disrespect.
So sorry about what? Are you going to apologize for what you did the last time?
You did the same thing and I did the same too. That's why.
You were rude.
You were rude to us, man.
You were rude.
No, you were rude too.
So what you want right now? You want to make peace or what? What you want to make peace?
We're trying to make peace here.
So don't start the rudeness because I'm going to smack you again. If you blow my head off, I'm going to fuck you up.
Okay.
I'm
sorry, bro.
So what you want?
Chill, man.
I ain't chill no shit.
No,
I ain't chill shit.
No, just
talk to me, bro.
Okay, I'm sorry. I want peace.
I don't know peace.
No, I said
no, I'm not. Just talk to what you want.
Okay. Concerning about your mom blindness, yeah. I want you to know that we have gone to so many doctors. I've called a friend from India, but which means that your mom can't see again, and he's saying, hey, no, you can't do that. We can't do that because it's a spiritual thing.
Spiritual thing?
Yeah.
What the fuck is spiritual thing?
In Africa, that's what they call juju. What
the fuck is that?
You know, supu.
Dude, spell it out. I don't know what the fuck you can call you. What the
Do you know it?
Is it voodoo?
Yeah, very good. Voodoo.
What the fuck is a voodoo? What was that here?
Yeah, bro. Do you know something? Your mother, her family do envy her low because she got a whole lot of property. That's why they don't want her to see.
What?
So I've been the one protecting her, trying to make everything possible, yeah?
Alright.
That's it.
Alright.
Bro, you don't know you can ask that swagger boy, that house guy. So no, don't ask him.
So it's voodoo.
It's voodoo, yeah? It's voodoo. I've tried with some maze.
Wow.
See professional doctors. You being a doctor, I know you can see it, but I know you can't heal. That's it.
So wait, you said voodoo?
Yeah.
Which hospital did you try to fiscal, or you trying to make it up, or trying to make peace to condone me, or what? Or you trying to hospital?
No, we have tried so many hospitals.
Which hospital you go?
Confornoche, Concro Hospital.
Do you have all the records show that you went to hospital?
I got all the records.
I don't trust you.
No, bro, trust me 100%. You know, I wouldn't say this to you. I would be here just watching you do whatever you want to do. You'll go back. I know definitely you're going to go back to the state. And I'll be here. I'll claim all the properties. But I love you, bro.
You know, I love my stepmother.
I know you love her.
You know, she is my favorite.
Yeah.
So she is voodoo.
Voodoo,
you know what? I still don't trust you, my fucker. Because you're a trickster.
No, bro.
But I need to look into hospital records. Because, you know, I'm a doctor. Let me look it up. Make sure that what you're not playing into me.
I'm going to show you. When she's here, you can ask her, sir. No, I will not show you. Just ask her. Because maybe you might think I can go and print something fake to you. So when she comes again, then you ask her, kind of hospital that I've taken her to.
So I should trust you.
Just trust me 100%.
One more time. Dude,
Yeah, bro.
if you see lying to me, bro, I'm gonna fucking blow my fucking head off.
No, not the truck, bro.
I'm fucking
you're my father right now, yeah? Or you're my bro, yeah? No, I'm your son. You are my son.
So wait, cut it out. What do you suggest we should do right now? Because I don't trust you.
Listen. Let's go to a herbalist, so let's try traditional thing.
Madam, partner, so we are tired. Ebia is inside waiting to ma. Beat me at near me because you fear her, Pantan and pay you crap. A year boy STUNNA or ye near me beer and pay ye. Uncle won't say, na Madam so, and no fear. And now, Madam, a near Frank, a senka woman, Nanny G. Or ye near me want to be my Madam soon and draw the summer young or burning blade. Ama, me dream one and Tiasie. The Biana me kind in you. If you come down soon. Pantan said, would not come. Kajatia comes or say, oh, come down swan. We do young coupon. Quan supporters. As young coupon don't know what we do, Marcia. Niama AKUA ye wahano. Pantan. The Mr. One out bend ye, Pam, so young Casachre. Sans and force and I'm out a and from us young upon why they were tears and Miss Row. To me, no so. I can't chance a young Casachre.
Swallow. And now say, what can I say? Add the cheers to say, I'm day. A dinner will penny Riasia will buy. Would you dear swagger? I am Madame Queen Box. I will need Sunday baby being patch over the car.
Or Nimico, the tintin in Tian say. Say, see, Madame, young patterns will feel one. Ye na ye Madame. Ye na ye Madame, say, Mammy, film to see her. And ne, as Santiago, ooh, yana was not a dime. On what you dance, I can't say, you your mother boy. Anna Buenos to say you on a palm down soon, obey me out the fool. Obey me out the bank here fool, obey me out the glove fool, obey me out the bank fool, Eddie Diddy. Namino Mills way.
Swagger. She maybe I walk a sa, now walk a sa of Cocoso. Walk a sa, welcome home. Why you want him the name, the woman say Kusura walk as my walking, and probably I will try to wait so. Boss, what fear have been near or any fear. Or bonny whom more dame, oh, Madame side. Sebi bear market a chanty say, bear Martin Tingramu, a 12 and 2. Acha.
Wow, Casamini,
Pachama Manusi, there was so about home, no by Leo Sebi, or Bejaninayo Sebi, so Beshata Leo Sebi in a bear may add there. You say when you
Casaminim, dear boss, and I can't too. And I mean, Nim in Coma when you were dear open as any paya, dear, Mumma, dear, in so many. Nipaya, dear, was a year, no, and Japan, no, I am
so many. I said, Blaze, only darling, who I go, Madame. Who I got, Madame. Catch him, say, and then I had a darling.
What? I'm not voodoo?
Yeah, I'm not voodoo. Voodoo to voodoo, it's called to voodoo.
I don't hear no fucking voodoo thing. Black power shit. I don't hear all that. Dude, my dad was a Christian.
Yeah.
Family. But so you being the bad, bro. Right?
No, I'm not being bad.
It's a voodoo thing.
But when you go to Rome, do what the Roman do in it. You got it. I'm trying to help your mom here. I've been here since 2 months now. She can't see. I'm trying to protect her. I'm being a good guy here. You see, I can step outside, do whatever I want to do.
I got it. You're talking too much, bro.
I'm not talking.
I don't trust you. So you mean the black shit will make my stepmother eyes open there?
Open there. No doctor can heal her.
Wait a minute.
Yo.
If I'm trusting one more time, if I go see that voodoo shit, the eyes not open.
Right. Hey, right, they may see already. One
more chance.
Yeah, one more chance.
Don't blow my fucking head.
Yeah, blow my fucking head, man. Trust me.
Put my trigger. Blow my fucking head.
You got how many weeks? 2 weeks days to live, yeah?
Don't fucking know about what I'm living for.
No, you talk.
Don't fucking know my business. Them to my own shit.
Bro, no.
I came for business. Taking my dad's property. Let's make sure my stepmother's eyes got open.
Okay.
I'm trusting you one more time.
Trust me.
Bro, if I again.
No, bro. No.
Peace. Ryan, listen.
Peace, yeah. Yo.
Listen, bro. If I lie, you find lying my fucking ass.
Yeah, KCT where you man there. What? We're from Pomoy. We're going to go yeah.
What we gonna be saying?
No!
We're gonna be good.
We're gonna be good.
We're gonna be good. Alright? One more time, like I said.
Check. Alright. Check, yeah? Do you wanna eat some
chicken? Leave.
You wanna eat some?
I ain't the shit. Girl, you're praising me.
Man, no,
I don't trust you.
You trust me, bro. We didn't go from Pom.
Who the fuck is going?
No, man. He's out of state, man. He's in New York, man.
Where you going?
No, I'm going to see my wife, yeah?
I thought you said she's asleep.
She's asleep. I'm going to watch her, bro.
I don't see her though.
No, she's sleeping. You saw her already, yeah? You want peace? Yeah, peace. Yo, bro, peace.
I ain't no shit, peace. Get out of here, bro. Chima. What you want to say?
No, I mean, you
fuck with me, bro.
No, you cool, man.
Fuck with me?
No, I mean, Chima, yeah?
Let me find out.
No.
Chima. Fuck is real there. I'm right here. Fucking idiot. I'm like watching you. You know what? We all in the house together. I'm watching you.
You say I can't hear.
24/7.
24/7. I can't hear.
You loud, motherfucker.
Sabi you also be janna na kra wo na wo kwa na yi mani janna. Enya play ya.
Pantan AKUA no ba fia. Me si minim AKUA no wande. De wa na me hu na
mo
se.
Ana wo nya na afi na wo kwa kan ni kuro mu di kwa me hwa dan so ene ye di wusi ka ma enya na ni wadure na ye den. Wo kire seminar ye den. De na wo gie swaga. Dwene wo ho hwe wo le na me so hwe me le. Bra no na ho sa no enye se wo no wona mo kwa. Ati madam wo bo ne pa wono wo kire nyina adakwa me kire nyina bi ni di nkomo se bossu pacho madam ya le wo ye ne den. What's pantan? So I got the ontinani mummy, when I will bear me. Make us a new suo.
One is
was.
Oh, no, no.
I'm supposed to soup.
I can't no trust in you.
Just anyway.
We are near any players who minimum pass, I stand up. Or Saturday, media comes or Saturday London.
What's me created, dear pa?
Make it to mine.
I would be having when I come down one watch you. Or Belsi baby crow, quite there. So for nature say, one more pie and your fasting is some better than growing you.
Pantan, the wood, a camera says a wood de Bernachi. I say, oh, cover down on the ground B. I say, oh, her. And I remember soon over here. And the Kahoon say, be a burn that you didn't come mobi. As an awoba. A camera says a woman gun or let be a demuya namima home.
Me.
The wooye now or form was soon namima home. But Kahoon say, oh, my person. What's it? Papa, oh, my person.
Maybe no. I am a me power boy me bunya. Me se nipa boa me so me sa kohwe nkwa me so ne san kohwe owo da asema wo kan kwa me me afi wa himfi
wo be me anya me kwa wunim kumase e na me so na wo ba kumase
enti na me di me
se ne wa ba tete wo be hu obi nipa so no wa call landing penti no se wo ne ye me ma bi won
ne ne hute
bo no landing ono wonim landing
kaje
landing ni nua panyini STUNNA was wa na wo landing bo ne mimi ni no kwam dan so ana opon kwam dan so na me se ni no se hwi yoso o kari boku
I don't miss who can't say when you may fan ho. Mimisi ka me pa ko hwa mo no jemfo what ya sante mampon de hia me. What I say? It is sad boss as me we can be kwa wo hwa tanya me tipe no. Na me kra be ma kra me pe kra nya bi ni we ni mo dododo. Me mpe. What I say? Me wo mani pa da ne paboni.
Martin tun de me frɛ wa asɛm me de tu onim no me ye na makɔ inside why. Na boy we
madam Hansu beto no. O shala na me bompa ye no chasa wo de wo bompa ye na de bia dokwa.
Bo wedding land se nipa ni kari koko wo sehwe me na minimum boy no ko ayi
o kali die koko kwanti tare ye ni de bia nsamka wa kreti ade no aka to so ade wo chine ne to afam mu ahyi bi on theater mu se de ayi atwubo na ha you so be gini feelings ana e hawo
What's going on?
Yeah.
So you want to talk to me out there?
Yeah, everything is good.
Okay.
But I want to talk. I want to present the class.
Okay, go ahead.
The guy who calls STUNNA.
Okay. What about him?
Yeah.
You don't like him?
Yeah.
So what's wrong?
The guy is trouble mind. The guy is trouble mind. They make answer what it is. What's it now? Okay.
What have you seen about him?
They take your stepmother going to juju. Just why you juju? Why you not do?
Wait a minute.
So that show the eyes off. I don't do
Blackout?
Yeah, blackout. You said
blackout.
Blackout, yeah.
That's right. So wait a minute. You just said he took my son to juju, the voodoo?
You say?
You mean he took my stepmom to voodoo?
You say?
So you heard me? Don't play with me.
Yeah, I heard you, but you can't speak louder. Action.
Are you saying to me he took my son to the voodoo?
To voodoo, yeah, juju.
So he did it.
He did it. So watch him down.
Okay.
He's the Satan so much. Or your Ponsamakasa.
Okay.
Yeah.
Again, let me ask you one more time. One more time. You understand?
You
didn't say again.
You said?
He took my stepmom to a voodoo?
On free voter.
Bro, you don't understand what I'm fucking saying. Don't play my fucking mind.
Are
you trying to tell me this idiot, what do you call him, STUNNA? Took my stepmom to the voodoo?
A voodoo, what? You
like, close his eyes.
Please, listen to me very careful. The eyes is closed.
Eyes are closed.
That's who Nadi.
Okay,
yeah.
So he's a cause of the issue.
Yeah, issue. Because I over half a day, I saw him, I know him come down soon.
Come down soon.
Swagger, open. Where do you so? Where I hang a couple of the image now. I am meeting so bad. Boss.
Tell me, who are you again?
Boss, me I said him first.
Oba make a channel, bro. Can't bro for Nippon won't teach you. You didn't remember was
teach you.
Won't teach you.
It's the mechanic. Boss, my name is AKUA PANTAN. You can call me PANTAN.
The fuck are you saying about that? What's that?
This is bush name.
Yes.
So what's the story? Why are you here?
I'm from Asantima.
So why are you here? I'm talking to this man. Why are you jumping in?
Don't close Pantan. Even when somebody is sitting talking, don't close. Please, the name Pantan. Yeah, because the hair is long too much.
And yeah.
I see you walking around the house, man.
My mother born me. My father is.
Can't say what you can so free up.
Say my no papa.
Shame can you walk?
What is she saying? I don't understand.
No, don't. Relax.
What do you want?
I am the maid in this house.
Okay.
Your sister.
My stepmother.
Yes.
What about her?
I'm cooking, serving, everything in this house I'm doing.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yeah. You are welcome to myself.
Do you know that?
So, why are you here?
But I'm sitting in the chair in this place.
Okay.
I'm saying something for this boy.
Okay.
She's dissing Madam husband.
No,
it is not true.
No.
I don't liar, Papa.
I'm not a dumb liar.
Wait. Let me know what you're saying, because I heard you. What you want to say about him?
Madam husband.
Okay, what about him?
He a good person. Everything she treats me good, treat this good, Madam. This boy didn't like it. She's a bomb.
Wait, are you here to? Wait, so you're snitching on a condition or something?
Don't snitch me. You are snitching me because I don't like the thing. Who is snitching?
So you say he good? That
That
bastard is good.
Yeah.
And he said he ain't good.
This boy is evil.
Wait 1 second. Come here.
What's saying?
Come here.
Oh yeah, you want to be doing what do I know?
Come here.
That's what I didn't know. Come here. Boss, back up.
Go on the knees, right? Go on the knees.
Lay down.
Go on the knees.
Come
closer. Is he sleeping with you? Is he sleeping with you?
Is he sleeping with you?
Wait. David only.
So
I'm going to treat you.
So why are you speaking for her? Why say you're good?
A good person. Treat me good, everything good in this house.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
this boy is liar for himself.
Okay, go back and sit down.
Yeah. Oh,
That's so talking like that. Please, steady that guy. Stunna.